Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I warmly welcome you all in lesson number 1 of week 3. Topic is contagious and non-contagious diseases. So let's start our lesson with the definition of disease. Students, do you know that what are the diseases? And do you remember that last time when you fell ill? A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects our health. And diseases are also known as medical conditions that are associated with specific symptoms and signs. Definitely, whenever you get ill, you feel certain signs and symptoms of that disease which are specific to that disease. You recognize every disease with its signs and symptoms. Classification of diseases. Basically, the diseases are classified into two categories: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are also known as infectious or contagious diseases. We can also say parasitic diseases. And non-communicable diseases are allergic, organic or deficiency diseases. These are the names which we can use for these diseases. In your book, the word contagious and non-contagious diseases are used. Do you know what is the meaning of contagious? Contagious, the word which came from a Latin word contagio. The meaning of contagio is touching, contact or infection. Contagious diseases. Contagious diseases are also known as infectious diseases and communicable diseases. Infectious diseases that spread from person to person are said to be contagious. These are catching diseases. I already told you that the contagious word is related to contagio, the meaning of which is contact or touch. So a contagious disease is a disease which spread by the contact. And these diseases are caused by germs and pathogens. Pathogens include bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Causative agents, the agents which cause the diseases. These are bacteria, viruses and parasites. Students, do you know that what are the parasites? Parasites are the organisms which live on other organisms for their benefit, and as a result they produce the disease in the organism. Do you know every disease have certain signs and symptoms? So the most common symptoms of the contagious diseases are appetite loss, means whenever you don't like to eat, diarrhea, coughs and sneezes, fever. Contagious diseases spread from person to person. So the common examples of contagious diseases are cold and flu, cough, chickenpox and cholera. These are the diseases which you can get from any other person